What is it doing? Just crying for his mommy or her mommy. Hi, friends!
Somebody's looking crazy.
We're going to pick Nala up. I'm so excited. But you guys, I was feeling so down this morning. But now I feel shut up. I wasn't feeling good this morning, but I'm so glad I'm better because I need to be excited for my baby. Well, our baby, but same thing. Same thing, you guys. Thankfully the breeder, right? The lady, she's coming closer to us, so we don't have to drive 2 hours to go get her. And yeah, we're getting her a little bit earlier than we anticipated, but it's okay. We're ready. We're ready. We have like enough things. I mean, everything.
We ain't got a bed.
Yeah, we don't have a bed for her, but she would just stay like on our bed, on Kenny's bed.
Why is it Kenny?
Because Opemi can't like she can't be upstairs.
If she's staying on my bed, somebody will stay on the bed with me because if this girl is whining in the middle of the night.
No, I'm sleeping downstairs until that bed comes. I'm sorry, but
she can stay in the basket. You're not doing baskets anymore. She can still jump off the basket. I mean, she's still gonna
yeah, I guess she can stay in the basket. I don't know.
You just like leash her now and hook the leash somewhere.
No! You gonna leash her?
That's all. Oh my God. Dogs are.
Yeah, but when they're sleeping, when she's sleeping, you want to leash her when she's sleeping?
You're gonna loosen it just so she won't move out the room. Calm down. She can't move out the room.
She can't. The door's gonna be closed. She can't move out the room. No way.
That's true.
She's literally gonna wake up and be in the room anyway.
Oh, she'd probably be shy because she's looking around.
I don't know. We're not sure what kind of dog she's gonna be, but
no, like we know the breed, but like we don't know
how she's gonna be. So we're just I'm excited to see that, but yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys when we get there. Okay. See you guys there. Bye. She looking. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hi. She's shy. She's shy. Oh. She's shy. She's shy. Look, so excited. Kitty. She looks so much bigger on the camera. Yes.
Head north on my mom actually for East Chase.
Hello, Nala. Flight is going bounce.
We are currently at Target. Hopefully you guys can hear me because this little mask situation. But yeah, we're just at Target now picking up some things for baby girl. Picking up some things for her. Yeah. Hey baby. Hey baby. Now we have to decide on which one looks good on you. Which one looks good on you? She's so chill, you guys. Oh, that'll probably fit.
Extra small.
That's what she needs. She's so little.
I actually like it. Vera. Stand, sis. Stand.
Oh, we can adjust it so like. Is it too slippery?
I think maybe her.
Yes. It's too slippery?
Yeah.
Is this how it goes? I don't think so. I think we're missing a very intricate spot. Okay, wait. Let's. Okay, maybe that. It doesn't.
Oh my God, that is cute.
Yes, it is. Yes, she is the cutest thing.
How old is that?
It's like 7 weeks. 7 weeks? Yeah, literally just got her.
Oh my God.
Do you mind if I'm like vlogging? Do you mind if I? Okay, no. All right.
Want to take a picture of me?
No, not a picture. Just like recording, getting her.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay. I mean, no, I was just making sure. Oh.
That is so cute.
Her dog is 12 pounds, and this is the teeniest thing I've ever seen. What kind of dog do you guys have?
Pomeranian.
Oh, okay. That's what my brother has.
So cute. Gosh.
Do you want to hold it?
Or what's it mixed with?
It's just a toy poodle.
Oh my God. So
Kobe, look at the
Thank
dog.
you so much.
No problem.
That is the cutest.
Yeah. No problem.
You made my
No problem. Yeah, this thing is big. She literally like slid out of it. She like slipped. Yeah. This is too big for her.
Wait, there's 2 extra straps.
Maybe we're waiting for.
Yeah, see if you can like lessen it first and then
Or maybe she's not using her nest until she goes to do this again.
girl, right? You don't need it yet.
Because we ain't dragging her in.
I mean, but when we go to the beach though.
I don't know if she wants to walk or not. Like she likes kind of. She kind of likes being carried right now. Oh, he's looking. You want to hold it? Do you want to hold it? You want to hold? Okay. Yeah. Here you go. Hold. Ah. Oh. He thinks it's fake. Oh my god. No, he's shot. Oh my god. That's so funny. That is so funny. He literally. Oh no, you don't want to hold? No? Okay. That was so cute. Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not really, but it's not harnessed, that's for sure.
Yeah, should have been like more.
It needs to be more stronger. You gotta try
It's
it.
done now.
Yeah, I don't see conditioner though.
They thought you were a stuffed animal.
Oh, like 2 in 1.
They thought you were a stuffed animal.
Probably have like actually this color.
You got some action earlier.
Don't be stinking.
Sorry, that's some brushes. Too big.
Baby.
She's sitting.
Look, are you seating?
Mama aunt.
Wait, let's do sit.
Bruh. You put it on the floor for her?
Don't they eat from the
I don't think she want it. You don't want it?
She eat it.
Well, it's supposed to be hand fed.
I guess so because she don't want it.
She put it out.
Oh, she don't
I
want
don't
it.
think she wants it or they don't like it or what. What's going on?
Ew, the
eat the
furry.
It's fur on it now.
Ugh.
Wait, can we see her own food, like her own pet food?
Oh yeah, they said she might have diarrhea.
She don't want treats. Don't eat the fall. The fall is even pissing me off.
Nala, say hi. Nala.
You want this one? Oh my hand, bro.
You don't want it to do on your hand?
No, I'm not allowed to eat this one, but she's like licking my hand.
Did she eat it? Okay, she ate that
That
one.
means she probably doesn't like it so.
No, look at her mouth.
A little titi.
She's still spitting it out. Because her teeth is not like...
It's like trying to like bite, like chew on it.
Maybe that thing's too strong for her then.
No, it's pretty soft. Softer than this
She
one.
spit this on. She probably just was trying to like figure it out.
Okay, let's try it.
She's still trying to break that thing. Oh, it was good?
She said...
It was good?
She wants more. I think she's hungry. And then she can sleep.
Right here.
This one.
She eating it? Okay, she's eating it.
You like?
That's exactly what's in my head. I'm scared she'll be start chewing on this floor.
Take it
You
off.
need to take it off.
Because it feels awful.
She's like,
Wait.
Why do you keep moving back when I move closer?
she's like, oh, this big entity. Richard, your mom. That's how you chew ball. Yeah.
Fetch.
No, like I wanna see. Maybe she move.
Did for this one? No, I don't like that shit.
Why?
That's what I'm saying in my head.
Yeah, that she doesn't like it.
After the middle of this, maybe she should find something that she likes.
Or just move the things to her. One of the two. You like any? You coming to the lens? Look. You don't want anything?
No, she just wants
No?
being.
You don't want anything? Hi, my name is Nala.
Just go say something.
Hi, my name is Nala. What's your name? Huh? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Oh, you making her talk to your video?
Hi. Period. I don't know why they have all these toys, but it's
Wait,
okay.
why do y'all have so many toys actually?
It was a bundle.
It's a bundle thing.
I'm gonna play with all of them. Oh, more toys. No, I'm back.
Talking to a person, Abby. I don't understand.
Hi, Nala.
This is cute.
Okay, I'm gonna go and play with my toys now.
Bye.
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 That she liked it. Oh, okay.
I think this one's so good. It's not my under school thing.
We're taking her for a bath.
So then just regular one.
Let's put her in and see if she like not want to be in there.
You have a shower in the shower? Doesn't sink? She's actually. Oh, she's thirsty. We didn't even give her water.
Oh, she
thirsty.
thirsty.
Did you buy water bowl?
Not yet.
Oh my.
We were looking. No, the thing was big. She can't fit.
You can use plastic.
Yeah, she can't fit anything just yet.
Oh my god, okay, sorry.
Just hold her.
Yeah. Just wait, no sponge. What? My head is not cup, cannot cup now. I don't want to put sponge.
There you go.
You have a dirty ass dog that Paul like. Isn't that the one that you say like that's going to sit on top of his shoulder?
Mm-hmm.
Dirty ass dog.
Nala, you're cute. Don't listen. Oh, she's whimpering. Oh no, that's the first sound. Oh no.
I don't understand. Is that bad?
We don't know. We don't know.
She doesn't like it.
She don't
like
want
to get
it.
Yeah.
Oh, Nala, girl.
Wait,
Oh,
is it hot water or cold?
you guys, can we please go watch a YouTube video on how to wash a dog?
Sure.
This is how you watch them.
Yeah, but she's she's
Have you seen the ones running?
You might be happy she not. You know that thing that that you don't like.
she would not like
She
shake.
probably is actually still gonna do it.
Yeah,
after.
she probably will. That's the first sound. Like, that was exciting, Loki.
I think she's thirsty.
She is thirsty.
What water are we giving her? Sink water.
But the
What kind of water do we give her?
Dog, bro.
Just drink water.
Get my fish shake.
Sorry, baby.
shampoo. I just put
It's
water.
right here. I have it.
Wait, this one's stupid.
This one's a rustic and play, so play with this one.
I know.
Oh, she's making noise again. Last time I looked, just
Make sure you hold her.
Scratching you. Them nails is sharp.
Ooh, sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby.
she sounds like a real baby.
I know.
I'm sorry, baby.
Shaking.
I know.
Oh shit.
Are we doing it right?
Yes, that's how I think not.
They get violent.
Oh, sorry.
They don't
sorry.
like water bathing.
Keep one noise, so.
Oh man, Sunkuni.
Sorry. Okay, as long as you guys said this is normal.
Oh my god, she sounds like.
Oh my god.
You guys stop running now.
Oh, she don't want to get showered.
Yeah, let's do this first. I don't like.
Oh yeah, Kenny. Oh yeah,
yeah,
rinse off. Oh my, you guys. We're gonna.
Where to go close this? There's no. They're asking people why you got to tell me nobody knows what to do.
We do know what to do. Kenny's doing it.
She's just crying. She's scared. You need to get used to this one now. We're getting
What
you.
video? Sorry, sis. You can't be smelling. This is why they don't bathe their
Did she
dog.
stink?
Yeah, she smells
Smells like a dog. So she doesn't stink now.
Towel.
So she's washed. And now she's getting dried. Did you like your shower? No?
No, she hated it.
She hated bath rather. She did not like that bath, you guys. But it's okay. She's gonna get used to
What's
it.
going on with your nose?
When she bent it,
That time that you were opening.
red.
It's red. Oh. Let me see.
You trying to go? No, don't go.
Put her in her belly.
She's getting dried.
Is she shaking stuff?
Just like.
A little bit.
No.
Oh, it's too close to her face.
It's not that hot.
Oh.
It's low.
Pele. Sorry. What, they don't like getting dried either?
No, the sound now.
Oh, the sound.
She's quite still scared of everything. And she knew how.
Is it possible for her to air dry? You let her air
You can let her dry. Just want her not to be dripping, yeah. Stuff will be sticking on her.
Sure.
Where's your basket? Let's put her there.
You know what? Yes.
Put her like this because she's like can't come.
Lala?
Change it to cold.
I don't think it should be. I think it should be a little hot. No, don't go. No, girl, right here. Right here, girl.
Her ass. Yeah, girl.
Wow. Is she trying to run away? Oh, here. Where are you going? You don't want to get... She doesn't want to get dried. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, baby. She don't want to get dried.
This one. When you put that wig on the floor,
Wait a second. Is that the basket you're talking about? I thought you were talking about that.
oh, I mean, I'm done with this.
Oh, I mean, sure.
Why am I still holding this shit?
You don't want to get dried?
Why don't you have a line with her pee-pee thing?
Yeah, I'm losing some soap.
Wow, she's shaking. Oh my god.
She's still shaking.
Oh my god.
Why? But she's sick. Get her one.
Sorry.
Oh, the bushy that we
I'm
just.
sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
This one.
She's trying to lick her body.
What?
She can probably smell the new shampoo.
Oh, yeah. Relax. Sorry, baby.
This is why you should get dry so that you not be shaking.
Right now she's eating. We don't have a bowl for her yet because everything is so big. But she's not shaking as much anymore, but she's still shaky.
Oh, them treats.
Them treats though.
That's what's
Like candy. Them treats though. It's like candy, girl. Oh, she like them treats.
Like the treats.
Mm-hmm.
What flavor?
salmon or something. Lamb and salmon.
Oh, this one too like lamb.
No more treats, so please. The way we are just on funny treats.
Like
treats. That's
No,
not
I
the
tried to
food.
like reward her because of the bats, you know.
Nigga, you reward during, not after. It's been like 2 years now.
You should have rewarded her when she was doing the part. I don't think she was just. I don't think she should have collected the food.
Crunch.
Punching. Girl, don't be smacking.
Smacking.
You didn't yet?
You never said when you
Okay,
don't
me, I
like
used
that.
to baking the egg.
Go and get your egg out there.
Oh, baby, that egg is still baking.
She's still baking.
Go and take your egg from there.
She's still baking the egg, girl.
That nasty egg I made the other day that I had freaking yolk in it.
Not near you.
I know, I just
Ew,
wanna
don't
know.
lick my leg. No.
You don't like licks?
My leg.
Her fucking head is killing me.
Oh, your leg
She will let
is
you
not
know.
cute anyway, so.
Nyla, wait, where's the tie that you bought her? You didn't put on
A
the
tie?
name
Oh,
thing.
shit.
I thought you said a tie.
She looks bare. She ain't got no.
Over
Oh, you gotta
there.
know about her clothes.
No. I don't see that
No,
is
there's a
not
thing.
cute. Cement.
There's a collar. There's a collar.
Y'all hit to the y'all usually. All people be driving quiet every time they call her.
Nah, where do you play music today?
Huh?
Where do you play music today?
Oh, you did? Okay.
Jerusalem.
For real?
No, that's not what we play. But I'm about to play Jerusalem. Hey,
Come on. Hey. Come on, you dancing?
She's like, what is that sound?
Yes. You gotta get hip to Afrobeats, girl. She listening.
You know it's ladder for them that was.
Oh, for real?
yeah.
Oh, they are. Oh, very. Okay.
No wonder she's running from that vehicle.
Plus she's cocky at it.
And then.
How about this one before?
Good girl. Nala? Good girl. Nala. You don't want to say hi? Say hi. No? Look. Yeah.